Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola Device. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Following that, go back to Motorola Device and using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and select Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close another. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!